Welcome to Mindfulness for Beginners. If you've been curious about mindfulness, this video is your simple guide to understanding and starting the practice. In today's busy world, it's easy to feel rushed and disconnected. Mindfulness offers a path to find calm amidst the chaos. Simply put, mindfulness is the basic human ability to be fully present, aware of where we are and what we're doing, and not overly reactive or overwhelmed by what's going on around us. Practicing mindfulness can bring significant benefits, including reducing stress, improving your focus, and boosting your overall emotional well-being. Let's break down the core components of what mindfulness truly is. First, mindfulness involves paying attention to the present moment. This means noticing your surroundings, your body, and your immediate experience. Second, it's about observing your thoughts and feelings without judgment. Simply notice them come and go, without getting carried away or labeling them as good or bad. Contrast this with living on autopilot, where we react impulsively or miss out on experiences because our minds are elsewhere. Mindfulness pulls you back to intentional living. Now for the fun part. How do you actually practice mindfulness? A simple technique is focusing on your breath. Find a comfortable seat and notice the sensation of air entering and leaving your body. If your mind wanders, gently bring your focus back. You can also bring awareness to daily tasks, such as mindful eating or walking. Really notice the textures, smells, and movements involved in the action. Another quick practice is a short body scan. Lie down or sit comfortably and check in with different parts of your body, noticing any tension or sensations. If you're just starting out, here are a few key tips to help you on your journey. Don't feel pressured to meditate for long periods. Start small with just 5 minutes a day. Consistency is more important than duration. Remember, the mind will wander. That's normal. Be patient and kind to yourself when it happens. Mindfulness is a practice, not a destination. Many great resources can support your practice, including meditation apps, guided videos, and books dedicated to mindfulness. Thank you for watching this introductory guide to mindfulness. We hope this empowers you to begin your practice today. Remember the core concept. Mindfulness is simply about being present and aware, non-judgmentally. Take a deep breath and start practicing mindfulness today. Even a few minutes can make a difference.